Like,
This is a radio, and we are eating biscuits.
enough?
Hotel.
No.
And a train. And we are gonna show Anvi's new backpack.
Mm-hmm.
It has this squishy inside it,
It's a cab.
and this butterfly clip, and it has a deer toy, and it's down.
Oh. Do you want to show something?
This is the bunk bed,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the stairs.
Mm-hmm. Got it?
And we are on a train.
Wow. किसी को नहीं पता था बेटा.
And
Mm-hmm.
we down to Diddy's house, Diddy down.
चलो. बाय कर दो.